cat in my body.
What happened? Look at the cat. Is that what's happening in your body?
Ah.
Bigger.
Daddy? Daddy?
That's you. That's you.
This is you.
That's me.
On your nose.
Nose. What is that, you know?
Ooh.
What is it?
He was eating the parsnip.
What that?
It's our Peggy.
And the piggy.
Yeah, so she needs more.